How to scam people so you can make $10,000 every single month now using AI. So you can get a very nice Hugo Boss shirt and maybe even matching pants after you've subscribed to our YouTube channel. All you need is a laptop or a tablet.
Scammers are often very fast to adapt to new technology. AI is nothing special there. They are selling their marketing stuff repackaged with automation using AI. And in this video, I'll show you how to create an online course, text for sales video, show who would potentially buy the course, and a way to get ChatGPT to estimate what they would pay for a product like this, and we'll personalize the content so it fits the audience. So it starts at the website OpenAI ChatGPT. My name is Palle and this is Siggy AI. Remember to subscribe to our channel. So in ChatGPT I go and I ask it to outline a 6-week or innovative course on how to make $10,000 using AI, make all the content sound very cool and impressive, and make it create urgency with the potential client, fear of missing out. So that's the outline of the product that we can put on a website and see if we can convince someone to buy it. So let's look at week number 1. So this is what ChatGPT made for us. So the title of the course is Mastering AI Profit, Unlocking $10,000 in 6 weeks, right? So sounds pretty good, right? So you buy this product that I created in 30 seconds and you would make $10,000 in 6 weeks. So in week 1, that's the AI revolution part of this course. We're going to teach like how tech is changing the world and your wallet. So day 1, we have the overview of AI, the impact on society and economy. And day 2, we are understanding the new AI economy, the transition from traditional industries to AI-driven models. And we have a workshop on day 4 or 5 where we identify problems AI can solve, brainstorming session and case study analysis. And we have a bonus webinar with AI millionaires, stories of individuals who have leveraged AI to earn massive income. So that's because we've sold so many of these courses. So we, at this stage, when we hit weekend, we are like a millionaire in week number 1. In the second week, we are navigating the AI maze, finding the perfect opportunity. So day 1, we are understanding AI subfields, machine learning, deep learning, neuro-linguistic programming, robotics, etc. And day 2, identifying profitable sectors in AI, and we'll help you on finding a niche on day 3. Day 4 and 5, we are designing your business model, and the bonus webinar in week number 2 is Thriving in the AI Era, discussion how to stay relevant and profitable in fast-changing AI landscapes. So that's why we have the AI narrators, so they can talk better than I can do. And then we have week 3, 4, 5, and 6, where week 5 we do the fundraising, show you how to get free money to build your business, and we have the marketing on week 4, and building your first AI prototype is week 3, and week 6 we are scaling your AI startup from concept to reality. And we have that you need to sign up now, right? Because enrollment is limited. Don't miss out on the opportunity of a lifetime to leverage the power of AI to create a profitable business in just 6 weeks. Secure your spot today and unlock the future of prosperity, right? So that was created in 30 seconds. So that was like pretty cool, right? But still need to sell it. So let's try to make a sales page, right? So I'm asking ChatGPT, make a sales pitch video for a sales page for the course. It starts with a problem, then it needs to disrupt the potential client's pattern, then go on to the pros of the course, ending with benefits and the pain they will get if they do not buy it. It needs to be less than 1 minute long, and it needs to be read by a narrating AI. The background of the video needs to be a solid colors, but text needs to change, right? So let's see what sales video ChatGPT made for us based on that. So video starts with a black background, bright white, bold text. Struggling to make ends meet. Feeling stuck in your 9-to-5 grind. life doesn't have to be this way. It changes from black to red. So it's like the color. Text stays the same. But what if you could leverage the power of AI to unlock a new income stream? What if you could earn $10,000 in just 6 weeks? Sounds impressive, right? Color changes to blue. Welcome to Mastering AI Profit, an innovative course that's designed to put you in control. The background changes to green, the text changes to black. In 6 weeks, we'll guide you through AI fundamentals, help you identify profitable AI opportunities, build your first AI prototype, craft a powerful marketing strategy, secure investment, and scale your AI startup. Background changes to orange. We are in the urgency stage. But don't wait! The AI revolution is happening now. Don't get left behind. Pain point. Background changes to bold red. Every moment you wait, you're leaving money on the table and allowing others to take your spot in the AI economy. Call to action. Deep blue. Act now and secure your future. Transform your life in just 6 weeks with Mastering AI Profit. That's pretty cool, right? Let's find some people who would buy this from us, right? Then we can always change the sales page back, so I'll show you that. So list 10 potential professionals who have career experience with the above and would be interested in buying this course. Rank them accordingly to profitability and demand, explain the reasons why they would buy and the personality type they have according to MBTI. So MBTI is a personality type system, so we can use that to find out what type we are, what type our client are, and then we can talk to them in a language they understand. So we can make like personalized sales pages or simple like make the entire course in that language. So I got this first, but it didn't really give me the numbers, so sometimes we need to poke the AI a little bit. So redo it and put the numbers on what you would estimate they would pay for the course, back the price up with facts. So here I get all of these, right? And I have like AI entrepreneurs, business consultants, software engineers, data scientists, investors. You can see like the range they would pay is like somewhere between 2,000 and 5,000. And for this example, I'm like, okay, I think I could sell this course to educators, professors in technology. So they're usually INFJ, INTJ. So educators would be interested in staying updated and developing new curriculums. However, given the average salary for educators, the price is set at a more accessible level. So I think like this is the type we want to go with. So let's try to create the course. We could have done the sales page, but let's continue working on the course. So I want you to outline day one in the course called 1 Day Overview of AI, its impact on society and the economy. I want you to use metaphors that cater to the wants and needs of the following persona, and then I put the persona inside. So then ChatGPT made this, so we have this the overview, so understand that now we have the sales page where you come in, we have the sales pitch video that we created. We can use an AI narrator if we don't speak English. We can actually make this in, even if we speak another language, we can just create this and then narrate it by AI, not understanding anything, and create an online course. So it starts with the sales page. We have the sales video. Now we have the entire overview from before of like all the 6 weeks, and now we can, if people click it, we can go in, we can explain what's happening on each day, right? So on day one we have the introduction, we have the first session, we have the second session, we have the third session, fourth session, and wrap up and Q&A. So that's pretty cool, right? But I don't want, what am I going to say in this introduction, right? So let's look at that. So, and create the introduction, right? So the introduction session will be 10 minutes long. It will be done with 100 words per minute. I still want you to use metaphors that cater to the needs of the following persona, educator, professor, right? So ChatGPT is a generic AI. It's a creative AI. It's not a math AI. So ChatGPT doesn't understand math very well. So they've changed a few things, so now it understands basic math, but that's a human thing. It's a generic creative AI, so it doesn't really understand math. So here I tried to say like 10-minute long presentation, 100 words per minute. That gives that I want 1,000 words. It can't do that. It can't count. So just so you know. But what it wrote here is like pretty cool, right? So this is the introduction. So it's welcome on board, educators, the knowledge seekers, the guiding lights for generations. Today we set sail on the vast sea of knowledge. Our compass set towards the fascinating continent of artificial intelligence. In the world of academia, where ideas are lifeblood, imagine AI as a vital organ, much like the heart. With each pulsating beat, it pumps life into modern civilization, invigorating the body of knowledge and creating an entirely new life form. Machines that learn and adapt. Consider this AI heart akin to the sun, an entity of tremendous energy and potential, ushering in a new dawn of enlightenment. The first light of this dawn reveals a transformed landscape, and it is our role as educators, much like cartographers, to map out this new territory for our students. AI, this new sun is in our academic sky, is not just rising, it's rapidly ascending towards the zenith. So that's like pretty cool, and it's talking in the metaphors I wanted it. So it's talking directly to the person we found who wanted to buy our course. Now we just need to change the sales page, so it's talking directly to them too. The only problem I had here is that I wanted it to be 100 words per minute, so that means like slower than I am talking right now. But it only made 463 words, and since it's not very good at math, I had to ask it to make it 2,000 words, then it made it like 800 words, so that's how you get it to do whatever you want. So there you have it. I know I've been talking too long and I've been reading a lot of this aloud, but in theory you could sit down in 5-10 minutes and create this. And then if you sat down for like 3-4 hours, you could make an entire course, outline it, and make it like put it on a website, and people would be like, oh, this is amazing. So you need to be aware that people can use this as a scam and can create products they have no idea what they created, and there's no one to supervise some of these people and see if this is true. So this is a creative AI, so it makes up stuff, and sometimes it gets bored, and sometimes it drifts away. So you need to read what it writes, because it's not always correct, right? Yeah, so that's it. Subscribe to the channel, give the video a like. If you want, go on our website, Sigi AI, join our secret community if you want. There'll be a link up here to our sales video, how to create one with AI. When that one is up, I recommend you go and watch that one next.